Skill number 3, PDF annotation. There are two main methods of annotating a PDF document in Citavi. The first one is called the yellow highlighter. Here I am going to view the document on full screen, and I'm going to block these lines that are interesting to me, but the next few lines are not very interesting to me, so I am going to jump and move on to the next point, that is perceived team effectiveness. In order for me to do that, I will press the control key, and then I will continue blocking the next lines or the next passage. And then I click on the yellow highlighter found at the top of the screen. The next method of annotating a PDF document in Citavi is called the red highlighter. I'm going to choose this document over here, and then I am going to view it on a full screen mode. I click on Show Right Pane Only icon found at the top of the screen, and then move down to the page where the passage I want to highlight is located. And then I highlight or select this passage, and here I need to step back a little because I've gone a little too far in blocking this passage. So I press down or hold down the shift key and then retrace my step. And then I let go of the mouse and the shift key. And then I click on the red highlight icon found at the top of the screen. A window pops up. And by default, as a core statement for this red highlight, Citavi picks up the first few words from the passage. But in this case, I'm going to try to make a more meaningful core statement. Once I am done entering my own core statement, I click on OK button to save the information, and then I click on the Show All Panes button to go back to my original view. I click on Quotations and Comments tab found in the middle pane, and I found the information on the red highlight that I have created just now. Now when I click on the Show in PDF icon found at the top, I can jump directly to my red highlighted text passage. We use red highlights in Citavi to highlight an important text passage and to quickly save its main idea as a core statement. This method is practical for quickly reviewing text, and it has the potential to become a direct quotation or an indirect quotation later.